already victorious, no? In combating the pandemic, no? Indeed, literally, it is true. It is true. I repeat, literally, it is true that we are already victorious of this COVID-19. We are already victorious because, look at we are here now. Can you look the person beside you? We are free. We are free and we are totally complete. Physically, mentally, and emotionally at that. Hindi natin mapagkaila na lahat tayo naapektuhan not only the physical aspect but even the psychological aspects, how we cope with it. No? And we are glad and happy that you are here to celebrate that this success will not just end today, right? But this success, okay, is a springboard for you to move forward and handle the victory that you achieve with the institution that you're having now as a registered AutoCAD student or whatever technicalities that you earned here. And that is a battleground for you to defeat every challenges that you are facing in our life, even so in your work. I want to end this message. Okay, the experience that I have, previously I was here actually with another organization also. No, I talk also with an organization which is more on arts more on arts. So upon passing in the lobby, okay, in the lobby down, okay, I think there was an exhibit regarding pandemic also, no? There was an exhibit organized by a foreign, no? It is an Asian, I think they are Japanese, no? There was an exhibit of art and one of the artists there, okay, formulated or created or painted, I should say, painted a figure, no? The figure looks like there are birds, no? In the canvas, there are birds at the side, the left side, which is very, what do you call that? It's not that visible, no? And then the area is very spacious, no? It was very spacious. So when you see it, okay, the canvas, it was very bare. You know, because I have that curiosity, when I approached the artist, I told him, I think, what do you want to convey to the people with your art? Because I think your artwork is very bare. Sinabi ko, it's very bare kasi yung ibon nandun sa baba, tapos dun sa taas and the other side is napaka, bare. Walang mga mountains man lang or what, which I suggested. Sabi ko, I think, mas appealing if you put mountains naman doon sa gilid or grasses also there, or animals or what. That's my suggestion. You know what he said? He said to me, no, my purpose or the thing that I want to convey for my artwork is everyone should have a space in life. No? Everyone should have space in life, okay? Because that space will lead you to discover more the beauty of life, the potential that you have. That is, you are not only a teacher, you are not only an engineer at that, but you still have more space to conquer and develop and discover also that you have more than what you are thinking. So it reminds me now of the event today, which is a foundation that, okay, your space is very wide to explore more, that you are not only an engineer, you are not only an architect, or you're not only an AutoCAD developer, okay? In a way that the potential that you have should give you more motivation, okay, to discover that it's not only the talent that you possess that you can have, but rather, if you discover and if you respect yourself, that you have it, you can do it, okay? By the circumstances and the inspiration that you have in your heart, you can do it. Sabi nila, if others can, why can't you, right? If why can't you, why others can't? No? So, again, this is the most important thing now, that your commencement speaker, or exercise, I should say, should be a motivational factor for you not to stop learning and discovering your potentials within you. In your team here, sama-sama, tulong-tulong natin ang kakayanan. Of course, everyone is very important in this organization. The teacher, the instructor I should say, and the students as well, okay, merge together in order to learn, okay, each one. May matutunan tayo, and this matutunan natin should not just be in our mind, in our intellect as well, but it should be put into action. Kaya nga every time I conduct also training, I used to emphasize the continuity or sustainability. Hindi lang kasi you acquire the knowledge and skills with that attitude and then you stop. It's not only like that. You have to improve more, or you have to level up what you have learned, okay, in the four walls of the classroom that you're having, regardless of any courses that you are taking with. So, at this point in time, as I've said a while ago, okay, your sama-sama at pagtutulungan speaks about, okay, the unity and the cooperation among you as a student and the instructors. Magkakaiba man ang personalities, though you have the same aim or aspirations at that, okay, you have the different potentials to merge into one. That is the reason why in the institution that you have, okay, especially with your instructors, magkakaiba ang linya, di ba? Yung nagtuturo ng AutoCAD cannot teach, or to some extent, hindi siya expert sa pagtuturo ng other courses, right? Kung AutoCAD ka, of your expertise, okay, kailangan AutoCAD ituro mo, of course. And the other courses like web designer, of course, with your specialization, yun lang ituro mo. But then and again, to sum it up, okay, with the spirit of sama-sama ang pagtutulungan, lahat kailangan, right? Kahit yung expertise mo ay iba doon sa ano, kasi kaya nga, it's an institution or organization. Because everyone should be valued because of their importance to each other. Sabi nga, in unity there is strength. You cannot just do by your own self. Even you are competent, okay, if you are skillful or experienced at that, kailangan mo pa rin ng team. Kailangan importante ang bawat isa. Importante ang bawat isa sa inyo. Kahit you are a student, you are new, or you don't have any knowledge at all, okay, with this expertise that you want to improve, still, kailangan kanila at kailangan din ng bawat isa sa inyo. Hindi pwede yung mag-isa lang. Kaya na, I always describe, okay, the unity and cooperation of each one sa fruit salad, no? You know what is fruit salad? Kumakain pa tayo ng fruit salad? When was the last time you ate fruit salad?
Pasko pa.
Long Pasko pa, and then at this point in time, malapit na tayo kakain ulit, right? Ng fruit salad. Why it is a fruit salad? Why I compare it with a fruit salad, no? Why I compare it with a fruit salad? Dahil a fruit salad should have a variety of fruits. Hindi mo lang sasabihin na yung mansanas lang, yung apple lang, fruit salad. That's not a fruit salad, right? Apple salad maybe. Or an orange, hindi pwedeng orange salad. It needs a variety of fruits, different fruits, to call it as a fruit salad. Ganon itong organization na ito eh. You have a different varieties, different personalities and skills at that, aiming for a particular, okay, goal when it comes to technicality. Kaya nga CONSOPHIL. Through everyone's effort, you considered us a CONSOPHIL students and a CONSOPHIL in general.